Today we got a video from Arrest Cam, and the title of the video is Woman Danced Her Way into Felony Charges in a Hobble.
Ooh, shut up, bitch, answer me.
If you like arrest content, be sure to subscribe so to miss out on future videos. Officers responded to a call at a Johnny Rockets restaurant in reference to a complaint about an intoxicated woman causing a disturbance.
How you doing? You want her to leave? Hey, how you doing?
I'm great, I was the owner.
What's he doing? What's going on? What's going on?
What's going on? I walked in to ask to speak to the owner. The owner's not here right now.
Okay.
I'm an ex-disgruntled employee.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So you want to talk about your job?
No, I wanted to talk to the owner, yes. This guy who just walked in, he was trying to figure out some of the same configuration.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, they want you to leave. All right.
They want me to leave?
Yeah. So you gotta leave.
All right, what y'all gonna do? Tell me out?
No, just leave.
I can't just leave.
You have to leave.
Where am I gonna go, sir?
Yeah, you have to leave.
All right, Melanie. Well,
Can we can we offer you any help? Do you need do you need a ride or anything? Do you need help at all?
Do I need help?
Yeah, you seem a little drunk.
Do I?
Yeah.
No, it's just my birthday.
You got a way to get a ride?
No, my phone's dead and all that shit. No, I'll walk.
Okay. All right.
I'll walk from somewhere else earlier today.
All right.
It'll be okay, right? Yep.
You got 465.
Do you have ID on you?
Damn sure do.
Can I see it, please?
You're not asking to?
91 Papa.
Am I doing what?
I said you're not asking.
Asking what?
Right? See my ID, correct?
I'm asking. Another deputy or asking.
No, you're asking, yes. I've seen him at least 4 to 5 times today.
Yeah, he works in the area.
Yeah, he does. Right around this building. I've seen him looking at my mama. So, here's my shit.
Where do you live? You live here in
Brooklyn Park.
What?
No, I used to work here. I worked here in...
Okay, where's your ID? Do you have your ID?
Okay.
You got a debit card.
Yeah, I did. Yeah, I see, and that's the whole problem. I'm outside of the car.
To hold side you.
Wait, time.
Oh, okay. Where's your ID card? How do we do this? What's your name?
Tell director 158
Jalen.
Jalen, motherfucking
Janie.
Janie?
Janie.
When?
When?
Motherfucking...
They don't send her screen.
Yo, you just asked me to, sir.
Then. I guess I'm gonna...
Janie Lynn, motherfucking...
All right, welcome to Johnny.
What's the date of birth? Hey, let's go outside.
Yeah, we need to know.
What's your date of birth, Janie? Pick that up.
You can pick that up now.
January 25th, 1991.
Pick it up.
I want
Okay. Dig yourself a hole.
Hey, pick that up.
I got hog-tied in Lake County last
this
night.
ain't Lake County. Pick it up.
This ain't, but I used to f***ing work here.
I don't care where
I
you used
don't
to work.
care. Pick that up.
I will not.
No? Okay. All right. Go ahead and get her date of birth and all that.
Tell Kirk Douglas it was Janie Lynn, motherfucking who did it. Drive on me. So shut up and dance with me. Y'all ain't got to, but hey.
She's smashed if you want to.
I'm not smashed. I'm just trying to let y'all know to fucking dance, man. My mom left me here on my fucking birthday. And I used to work here.
They're running her?
Yeah. She's obviously not gonna spell it or anything, so
Oh, I know.
I'm going off basically what she said.
Go ahead and take me in that little shit. I said, shut up,
Dance with me. Destiny. She said, ooh, shut up
I'm not
and
picking up
dance
any
with me.
trash. Anybody else here that's not can do better themselves.
Dude, she's bombed. I mean, to the point where, yeah, they don't want to take her in, but littering right in front of the cops and all that type of stuff, man. And cops don't even give tickets and stuff like that for that. But literally right in front of them with on camera and everything, it's like, come on, man. You're pushing the buttons, and you know, when there's a lady cop involved and you a lady suspect, she gonna get you together, boy. I'm surprised. She's being pretty patient, but yeah, they're pretty much just trying to get her identification or whatever, probably for the trespass or whatever the case may be. But I think if they would have never asked for the ID in the beginning, she would have just walked off, and that would have been the end of it, which she was doing. But then they stopped her. Hey, let me get your ID and yada yada, and that just prolongs it.
54. Appears to be no record out of Florida. But I mean, I'm just going off attempting to spell her name.
From 209.
I'm gonna trespass from here.
Yeah.
Say, shut up and dance with me.
Going to jail.
She says, ooh, shut up and dance with me.
She's pissed. The lady cop is pissed. She's just looking for a supervisor. He's the supervisor.
Everything. I threw my eyelashes in the tip jar.
That's not my problem.
He don't want to lock her up, but the lady cop wants to lock her up.
It's not your problem, but it was somebody like me's problem at one point in time. Not yours.
Nope.
It was mine at one point in time.
Nope.
No, because you're better than that.
Yep.
Yeah.
I don't throw my eyelashes in the tip jar.
An establishment and saying you're better than that.
No, I just don't throw my eyelashes in the tip jar. That's all.
No. And normally, I won't have the bus boy be helping the server.
Okay.
Who has 2 kids.
Okay.
And a tip jar.
Okay.
But you know what? We're out here.
Yep.
Yes. And you're privileged, you white bitch, or whatever bitch you are. I don't care what bitch you are, but you're some kind of bitch. Show me as racist. I don't give a fucking f. Take me, bitches. You need to fall pin into this because he won't do it. He won't do it.
Do you have paper in your printer?
What's up?
Do you have paper in your printer? Mine's
I do.
done for.
I do.
So get rid of me. My kids won't care, right? My children won't care,
You're
right?
gonna get out of my face is what's about to happen.
I'm right
Let me
here.
tell you something. That's what we're not gonna. You understand?
I took A last night. I took A last night, you dumb fool. Go back to New York. Go back to wherever the f you're from.
Florida born and raised, baby.
Same bitch. 727. 727.
Clean her up there.
Lead me up. Cause they don't know. 727. Where you from? Tell me. You want me gone? Tell me. I got 2 girls. Tell me.
SO1.
Tell me.
Don't kick me.
I'll kick you when I make it go.
You got a hobble?
They had Jesse's girl. They had Jesse's girl and my Amy's girl and my Jesse's. Ask.
Anybody got a
What?
And my Amy's girl and my Jesse's. And find out.
Philip.
And my Amy's girl and my Jesse's. Find the f out.
Let me see your foot.
Cause I'm goddamn tired of trying to learn. I'm so tired of trying to learn if I'm Amy's and Jesse's girl. Off. Yo, the f off. I'm so goddamn tired. I really can't be. Hey, you, look at me. Look at me in my fucking eyes. No, Kendall, you Chinese Kendall, don't do it for her. Don't do it
Kick me
for
and see
her.
what happens. You catch another charge. You understand that?
Yes,
You
I
better
do.
chill out.
Yes, I do fucking understand. Do you understand? I understand. Do you?
Basic.
I just ate
Basic.
some shit last night. You asked me. Yeah, take it out. And perfume for my mama, for my grandma, for them all. Where's my daughter? She's up. You dumb bitch. You want to know? Where they at?
Did she spit on her? Wait, did she?
My daughter, she's up. You dumb bitch. You want to know? Where they at?
That's crazy.
Yeah, do it because that white said so. Do it because that white said so. Put a mask on her.
Oh yeah, she dragged her out by herself, boy. Oh yeah, she ain't playing with her.
Country girl, shake it for me, girl.
Try and kick my window out.
But I still say because I love. You dragging me up the hill on the concrete? I just want to get real clear, sir. I just want to get real clear on what I'm about to do. You're dragging a female on the fucking ground, correct?
No, I did that.
You did what? Drag the female on the ground?
Yeah, I put you on the ground.
Just get out.
I just you.
Huh?
I just you. And I just object on the fucking ground. In the villages, in front of the Johnny Rockets that I just used to work in front of. So what the f are you doing to me?
You're going in a hobble.
I'm going in a hobble?
Yep. Yeah. She's vomiting still.
Come on, we can go. I'm right here. You ain't gotta throw a filler. It's gonna die over my head. We need no fish that's trying to swim. We sharks right now, motherfucker.
Damn, you would think the lady cop was the sergeant. The way she just stand there and start directing the guys. Like, yo, you would think she's the supervisor on the scene, boy.
Oh, that's me.
We're gonna take it.
doesn't.
We're gonna tighten it.
You got the supervisors doing the work.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Watch head.
In the end, 33-year-old Janie Lynn motherfucking charged with 2 counts of battery on a law enforcement officer, resisting an officer without violence, and disorderly intoxication. She pled no contest to all but 1 battery charge and was adjudicated guilty. She was sentenced to 120 days in jail with credit for 83 days served, and she was ordered to pay $1,898.50 in costs and fees. If you like this video and want to see
Wow, so she couldn't even afford bond because she did 83 days by the time this case was over with. Wow, so she, broke as a joke, boy. She couldn't even afford the bond. Sometimes, I was gonna say sometimes it's better to stay in there, but then on the other hand, it's like, no, it's always better to fight your case on the outside. Honestly, it is, yeah. But yeah, 120 days. What is that? Half a year? Something like that, right? 90 days is 3 months. So yeah, okay. So she did probably about 4 and some change, 4 or 5 months, something like that. Anyways, yeah. Officers did a good job, whatever. Like I said, You would have thought that the lady cop was the sergeant, the way she was bossing the guys around. She had the supervisors doing the work, man. That was crazy. But hey, it is what it is. I mean, she talked herself into jail. She didn't even have to go to jail, but just so drunk and don't know what's going on that it happens. So overall, I get the cops a 5. They did pretty decent. The ShyGotEm Correctional Facility is now open, where we specialize in act right and getting them together. If you want to become an officer, check out the YouTube membership. If you want to be a sergeant or above, check out the Patreon. Your support helps the channel keep going, and I hope to see you in lineup.